Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Just wanted to go over the V3 a little bit. I already modified it, so it didn't take long. It's definitely not stock now, but it's nothing crazy. Just want to do a couple mods to it, so I'll go over that. Just intake, DMS underhood tank, and 2-inch Kooks headers. So it sounds a lot better now. I'll do a startup for you and show you what the engine bay looks like. So as you can see, I got the Big Gulp intake there. DMS underhood tank. This helps with heat, obviously. Oh wow, that's dirty. That's dusty. My boys over there at Race Car Factory installed everything. They cut it here a little bit just so that it fits properly. And you don't have to remove all the plastic. Still looks good. It's got the Kooks 2-inch headers in there as well. So yeah, super happy with it. I'll get you a little sound clip here. Now the reason I went with the 2-inch Kooks is just because in case I do turn it up more in the future, I'm not sure I have all this. It is the stock valve exhaust though, so that way it is still somewhat quiet compared to this car, and it doesn't wake up the whole neighborhood if I want to go out at night or just whenever. Only wanted to mod it because I thought it was a little too quiet from stock, and I just wanted to add a bit more noise obviously to it, but I wanted to keep the valve exhaust so that way it's not nearly as obnoxious as the black car, because that car is just nuts. Now I might do more. They say, we're just reading up, intake and 2-inch headers and tuned by my boy Mark Rios. Usually make like 590-ish wheel on pump. I'll probably eventually do the ported blower. You make like 670, 680 on pump gas. That's obviously perfect for the perfect daily. I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot more to it. Obviously, who knows if I sell this car ever, then obviously I might do more. But for right now, I think it's perfect. It drives amazing, no issues. I did get the catted option just because it was available. I didn't want to wait 6 to 8 weeks or even longer, and so it was just easy to get. And it sounds good, no issues. So I think it's perfect balance between, as you can hear, between the tour mode, sport mode, and all that. It's definitely the way to go. So, I'm gonna do a video on the car, like my thoughts on just ownership of a V3, because there are some things that, for how much you're spending is like kind of silly and just cheap. So I'll go over that in another video. But let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to know anything about this car, obviously I got the black car, kind of familiar with that one, but I'm gonna do a build on that car as well, like a build video, feature, all that. It's hot here in Arizona. It's already like 90 degrees. It's like 8 a.m. So try not to sweat my butt off too much in the garage. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Subscribe. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys want to see. Cool.